Peeps, what is up? I'm going to teach you guys a great expression before we start anything, which is work to live, but do not live to work. Listen to it again. Work to live, but do not live to work. What that expression is about is that work so you can make money and have a fun life. Don't live just to work to make money. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Jobs, working, a career. Which one do you have? Which one have you had? What are you doing right now? Do you know the difference between job, work, and career? That's what I'm going to teach you guys. And of course, we're going to start off with job. Job is a noun. Job is a regular and official activity that you do and you receive money, a salary for your activity. It is also called a profession or an occupation. You can have a full time job, 40 hours per week, or a part time job, 25 hours per week. When someone is looking for a job, this is sometimes called job hunting or job search. If you have a friend who's looking for a job, you can ask them, how's the job hunting going? To find a job, you can check the job listings online or in the newspaper. These are small advertisements about job openings, job opportunities. The process of trying to get a specific job when you send your resume or CV to a company is called applying for a job. If the company offers you the job and you say yes, then you have gotten the job. To describe a person's job, you can say this: a demanding job, requires a lot of effort. Being an emergency surgeon is a demanding job. You have to be on call 24 hours a day. A fulfilling, rewarding job. It makes you feel good. Working with refugee children was one of the most rewarding jobs I've had. An entry level job. A job that can be done by someone who is just beginning their career, which doesn't require much experience or many skills. Daniel got an entry level job at an advertisement agency. A dead end job. A job that has no opportunities for advancement or promotions. Being a truck driver is a dead end job. A high powered job. A dynamic and important job. After she published her book, she got a high powered job as director of a national newspaper. A lucrative job. A job where you earn a lot of money. My mother wants me to marry a guy with a lucrative job, like a doctor or a lawyer. Of course, it would be my father wants me to marry a woman. But let's not mention anything because if my wife hears this, she's going to kill me. The word job is a countable noun. Right after graduating from college, I worked 2 jobs so that I could pay off my student loans faster. Terry has 7 jobs in the past 5 years. That's a lot, right? Listen, Terry has had 7 jobs in the past 5 years. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let's move on from job and let's go to work. Now, don't forget, work can be a noun and a verb. The word work is more general than job. Whereas job is a specific occupation, profession, work refers to general efforts and activities done to accomplish a goal. Work can be done both inside an official job and outside a job. I work hard every day teaching English. I work out hard at the gym. See that? That's different ways you can use work. You can say you work at or for a company. I work at General Motors. You can say you're working on a project, a task. I'm working on a market analysis. or I'm working on improving customer satisfaction. You can say you work with people and objects. I work with special needs children, or I work with hazardous chemicals. The word work also refers to the context of your place of employment. So we can say, I start work at 7 a.m., not I start my job at 7 a.m. I leave work at 4:30, not I finish my job at 4:30. An informal way to say leave work is get off work. Get off work. I get off work at 4 o'clock, which means I'm leaving. I went to the bar with some friends from work. Okay, what does that mean? These are the people you work with. We go to work by car, not we go to our job by car. I can access Facebook when I'm not at work, not at my job. Okay, work is an uncountable noun, so it is not used in the plural form. I have 3 works to do this week. No. I have 3 projects to do this week. I have 3 tasks to do this week. I have 3 assignments to do this week. Exception when talking about works of art and literature. What do I mean by that? Picasso has many works of art. They are beautiful. It's a work of art. It's a painting. You can say that's a beautiful painting. You can say that's a beautiful work of art. Now let's talk about career. Career is just a noun. Your career is the total progression of your professional life. It can include many different jobs over the years. You can have a career in a field, for example, a career in politics, journalism, teaching, finance. Here are a few collocations with career. Embark on a career means to begin a career. Pursue a career. Make an effort to have a career. A promising career. A career with good future potential. A varied career. A career with jobs in many different areas. Career prospects. Career opportunities. Switch your career. Change your career. Career takes off. When someone's career starts to become very successful, you can say their career took off. At the peak of your career, at the most successful point in your career, ruin your career when your career is destroyed. Now, what I want you guys to do is make sentences with these. After you make sentences, now write a whole paragraph and use all of these words. Work, career, and job, talking about them are a huge part of the American English language. We're going to spend some time on these 3 topics. I hope you're enjoying them. And never forget, I love you like a fat kid loves cake, of course.